arm like you sneeze.
The other arm. The other arm. Not this one. This one.
But you know I'm left.
The other arm. I don't give a damn
I'm
if you left, right handed, ambidextrous. I don't care.
Like, bro.
Stop fucking sneezing on me, bro. Stop sneezing on me.
I really hang with shooters, yeah, they all clap. My shorty the truth, and she all that. Super bad, ballin' on these John packs. Had to get it out the mud. I'm a rug rat, rat. Straight out that mud, straight out that mud, straight out that mud, straight out that mud, straight out that mud.
What it do? It's your boy Drew, aka Mr. Hollywood, and you know it. You know how I do when I come down ripping that H-time. Know I'm talking about real talk. Look, before we get into this video, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell. Tell them E&D gang we the next up, cause we the best up. And them big facts. Y'all already know what time it is. It's prank wars. Yes, you feel me? So today I will be doing the sneezing on my girlfriend to see how she reacts. Yes, man, she about to trip out because she don't like nasty stuff like that. I don't like nasty stuff like that neither, you feel me? Like, real talk, I'll be ready to smack it. Somebody like, real talk, stop being nasty, man. COVID going around and everything, man. I got some hand sanitizer. Go put some hand sanitizer on for real talk. On my mama, and I swear to God, you feel me? But yes, go ahead and drop Team Drew in the comments. Spam it up. Y'all already know she about to spaz out, be tripping. But look, I'm not about to sneeze on her for real. But look, I got a water bottle, you feel me? A spray bottle. Hold on. Little spray bottle, know what I'm saying? You feel me? So hopefully this be a successful mission, you feel me? If not, y'all already know how I'm coming, you real talk. It's gonna be successful, cause my name on it. Yes. So go ahead, like, share, and subscribe. Let's get into the video. Don't be turning your back towards me.
I'm trying to focus. I'm not turning my back towards you.
Trying to focus on what, man? Girl, you better stop disrespecting me.
I'm not turning my back towards you.
Talk, man. You tripping. You looking good though.
Thank you.
I like those. Real talk.
Appreciate it. Appreciate it. Like comfortable.
Scrappiness though. Got your little teddy bear. You know what I'm saying? Okay. Man, you got a cold over here, man.
It's not cold.
Man, you be tripping.
It is not cold at all. It feels good in here.
I don't see why you always hot though. Like, eat you some ice or something. You feel me? I'm sorry, baby. I'm sorry, baby. I'm sorry.
No, you didn't. Just sneeze on me.
Babe, I said I'm sorry. Hold on. I'm sorry.
You sneezed on me. Like,
I'm
you
sorry,
really,
bro. Like, come on, man.
legit
Stop it.
sneezed on me.
I'm sorry, bro. Let me get something.
What the fuck? Why would you do that?
Bro, why you putting your hands on me, though,
You
bro?
sneezed on me. Like, you didn't even try to go the other way, bro.
I said I was sorry, though. Like,
It ain't about being sorry.
Why you gonna wipe it on the couch? Why you gonna
go
wipe it
get the
on the
hand
couch,
sanitizer. It's gonna dry sneeze on
like,
me.
Stop it. I said I was sorry,
That's
bro.
disgusting.
Like,
Give me this.
I said I was sorry, man.
Bro, you need to move around. Move around. You didn't sneeze on your hands. You sneezed on me. What you need the hand sanitizer for?
Cause, like, for safety. Like, I gotta take the
Safety.
proper...
Drew, don't stop. Stop.
What?
Stop being nasty, bro. That's not
That was
funny.
an accident.
It wasn't
I don't know, my
accident.
allergies messing up, though.
It wasn't no accident.
My allergies
You
acting
know.
up.
You need to chill the fuck
I'm sorry,
out.
my allergies acting up. Bro, why is you tripping,
No, that's
though?
disgusting, bro. Don't do that. Sneeze in your arm the other way.
Hey,
like, that's
I'm
common
sorry,
courtesy.
man. I'm sorry, dang.
It ain't about being sorry. Like, be careful.
Don't be sorry, ho, be careful. Lord, gee, what?
All right,
That's
sorry.
disgusting. You got COVID
Dang,
going around
bro,
and stuff.
stop
I don't want that on me.
Bro, stop it. I don't got COVID, bro.
Okay, but I don't know what you
I
have.
don't got COVID,
like,
bro. Like, you need to chill out,
you still
man.
got one more vaccine to get. I don't know.
Stop it,
don't
bro.
do
Like,
that.
I don't have COVID, man.
I don't
So
know how,
stop
bro.
it.
Don't
So
do that
stop it,
no more.
bro. Like, real talk.
Sneeze that way. You gotta sneeze. Sneeze that
God
way.
dang, you is tripping, bro. Like, come on, bro. Like, you doing too much. I said I was sorry. I'm sorry,
Disgusting.
babe. I'm sorry, babe. Like, dang, I'm sorry. Real talk. I'm sorry. You okay?
Are you okay? Disgusting, bro. You worse than these kids.
Man, stop it, bro. At least I say excuse me and sorry, though. At least I say that.
They say excuse me and sorry too.
Whatever, they be laughing at myself, but okay, whatever you say.
And you obviously think this is a joke.
Man,
why would you sneeze on me, bro? Like
my allergies messing up, bro. My allergies acting up, bro. Like, come on, man.
Stop sneezing on me. Don't do that. That's disgusting.
Hey, I'm sorry.
Where the
my allergies is acting up, bro. How you gonna get mad at me, bro? Like, come on, stop it, bro.
Nah, you being nasty. You being
bro,
nasty.
what is you doing?
You being nasty.
Stop, man.
I'm not trying to get sick. We gotta go on our trip this week.
Stop it, bro. Stop.
I'm trying to get sick. Sneeze on me again. I swear I'll spray this right in your eye. Stop sneezing on me.
I'm sorry, bro.
That's gross. Go sit over there or something.
Man, I don't know
Bro.
what perfume you got on.
It's not perfume. I don't have on no perfume.
Because it's making me sneeze. It's
Stay away from me,
messing with my allergies, man.
Stay away from me.
It's messing with my allergies, bro. Like, you was tripping, bro.
Cover your nose and sneeze that way. Or go over there and sit down.
You really mad?
Yes, that's gross.
I'm not doing it on purpose, though. I'm not doing it on purpose, bro.
I ain't been sneezed on since my babies was
okay,
babies.
Bro. I'm not doing it on purpose, bro. Like, god dang. I tried to catch it. You is tripping, man. Like, dang, bro. As much as you be sneezing.
I don't sneeze on you. When have I sneezed on you? Tell me when I've sneezed on you.
It doesn't matter.
I've never sneezed on you, though. I've never done that. That's disgusting.
It doesn't matter,
I've had many opportunities where I could have...
But I'm saying, bro, stop, chill out.
Got boogers and shit all over.
Chill out,
but I haven't.
There's nothing wrong with your allergy. Stop. You just dry, just doing it on purpose.
No, you dry sneezing on me on purpose.
Stop it.
And you got glitter on your face. What, you sneezing glitter?
Stop it, bro. Like, come on, man. Like,
oh. Spray myself.
Bro, stop. Why is you spraying yourself with Lysol?
Because you gross.
Bro, stop it. You act like
I don't want to get sick. I don't want to get sick.
You act like I got the COVID or something.
You might. I don't know. I don't know what you have.
Like I got the COVID-19 or something. Come on, man. Stop it. You need to chill out, bro. It's going to be all right, man.
I'm about to get a snack. Hungry.
No. You always want to eat a snack.
Mind your business.
That's why you look. That's probably why you look like a snack, but I ain't complaining, though.
I am a snack.
I ain't complaining. Hey, you ain't no snack, though.
Yeah, I am.
You ain't a snack. You a full course meal with dessert on the side. What you talking about, man? You eat the girl. I know what I'm talking about. I know what I'm talking about. You hear me?
Bro!
Oh my God. I don't know what do you... Man, bro.
You just got that all over me and on my brownie.
Babe, what are you wearing? Like,
what the fuck is wrong with you?
What fragrance do you...
What's wrong with you,
Babe, stop. What fragrance?
No, but you're literally doing this.
I'm not.
Yes, you are.
I'm trying to catch it. They told me, like, when you little, you catch it with your arm like you sneeze.
The other arm. The other arm. Not this one, this one.
But you know I'm left.
The other arm. I don't give a damn
I'm
if you left, right-handed, ambidextrous. I don't care.
Like, bro.
Stop fucking sneezing on me, bro. Stop sneezing on me.
It was an accident, bro. It was an accident.
I will spray your whole everything.
Stop it, bro. Stop
I
it.
will.
Wait, stop. Why don't you stop?
Stop playing with me.
Why don't you...
That's how I feel about you spraying me. Stop sneezing on me. That's disgusting.
You can't get mad at me because my allergies
yeah,
are
I
messing
can.
with me,
You're
bro.
sneezing on me. Like
bro,
on purpose.
No, I'm not,
You're
bro.
purposely doing that
I'm
shit.
left-handed. So
you
I
can't tell me
sneeze
you're not
like
doing that
this,
shit on purpose.
I'm not, bro.
You're literally going to have
No, I'm
all
not, bro.
over me.
Stop it, bro. Like,
yes, you are.
Bro, come on, man.
Stop doing that.
And now you throwing stuff.
Yeah, because you're sneezing
stop
on
it.
me.
It was
I
an
keep asking you to stop.
It was an accident.
All you got to do is go over there.
It was an accident, though. You getting
bro,
mad.
I can't even eat my freaking brownie, bro.
You getting mad because it's an accident? Bro, come on, man. It's just an accident, bro. Stop it, bro. Like, it's just an accident, baby.
Ain't no accident.
Baby, my allergies are messing with me.
I don't play by my brownies and my chocolate and stuff.
Babe, I don't know what type of perfume you got on.
No, I'm not sitting by you.
You got on dandelion or something? You got on dandelion?
I'm really sparing your ass right now.
You You gotta,
that's what I'm really doing.
man, if it's that dandelion perfume, man, you know that mess with my allergies,
what are you talking about?
That dandelion perfume.
What dandelion perfume?
They got a new line in Macy's, the dandelion perfume. It was just on commercial. Babe, come on, man.
Just
Stop
stay away
it,
from
man.
me. Stay away from me.
I'm sorry, man.
For the whole day.
Man, bro, look, I'm sorry, bro. Like, God, now you getting mad at me because my allergies not my fault.
Yeah, it's your fault,
bro.
but it is your fault that you sneezing on me.
Bro,
it's your fault. You're purposely doing that disgusting ass shit, bro.
You ain't trying to give me nothing for my allergies? You just
have
complaining.
some clarity.
You just complaining.
I got you. You need something for your allergies.
You just getting mad for no reason, bro.
I got you. Ain't no getting mad for no reason.
Stop it. Man, bro, I said, babe, I'm sorry, man.
No.
But look, babe, look, at the end of the day, look, I'm sorry.
No, ain't no end of the day.
Well, yeah.
Ain't no end of the day. Ain't no end of the day.
At the end of the day, I'm sorry.
Here, you want something? Clarity. Here, Lysol wipe.
Stop it.
Here.
I don't need none of this.
Here,
you know
drink
why?
the juice, because at this point,
Babe, stop.
No,
Come on,
you
drink.
obviously want to die
Babe,
sneezing
stop
on me, so
it.
here.
Because it's just a prank, bro. You need to chill out, bro.
What you mean?
Come on, man. Look, it's a water bottle. Come on, I'm not just sneezing on you, bro.
Why would you do that?
For you to even think that.
Why would you even? Why would you
that
even?
hurt me, bro. That hurt my heart.
Why would you even play like that, though?
Bro, because I can play like that, bro.
I don't do germs, and you know that.
You just pulled one on me, bro, so stop it.
It don't matter, though. I ain't never sneezed no.
I don't care.
I ain't never sneezed no lookies on you.
This is a water bottle.
Okay.
Stop it. When nobody sneezing on you.
Alright.
Yeah, man, get out your feelings, bro. You talk. Okay, gang. Clearly, she lost her mind. She was tripping. She was trying to make me drink Clorox wipe juice. Then she want to spray me with Lysol in my eyes and all that, blind me and all of this stuff. She ain't care about that. You feel me? Oh, man, she know I'm not really sneezing on her, man. Stop it. That's disgusting. It's COVID-19 going around, bro. Like, real time, ain't nobody with that, man. And I had sanitizer and everything, but she wasn't having it. Baby, you good, though?
Yeah, I'm great.
Look at the camera. Look at the camera. Look at the camera.
You disgusting. Like, that's just gross. That's really nasty, though.
Man.
Like, you would really do that shit for real.
Yeah, you know, but it was just a prank. I had to get you back for pulling time out you about to go to church on a Monday. Man, stop playing with me. Real talk. But yeah, go ahead, drop Team Drew in the comment. Drop ND Gang, spam bell, because y'all already know how we come in with the new channel, know what I'm saying? Y'all already know how we rock. We some big steppers. But until next time, peace.
Straight out that mud. Look, they say I'm reckless. I'm from Texas. You want that pressure? I sent them a stretcher. Must swear to God, better catch up.